So, hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. We are trying to install the Gemini CLI, the command line tool that lets you interact with Gemini directly from your terminal. But the installation fails, or you get errors, or even the command just isn't recognizing. This can be frustrating, especially when you are excited to start building. The most common issues are missing Python dependencies, permission problems on macOS, or an outdated Node.js version. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to fix Gemini CLI, not installing, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, I want you to go and check your Python version. The Gemini CLI requires Python 3.8 or even higher. Make sure to run Python 3 version to check if you are on an older version. Then update Python from the official website or through your package manager, Homebrew on macOS, or apps on Linux. As for the step 2, install using a virtual environment. This prevents dependency conflicts. Create a virtual environment with Python. Then you can easily activate it on macOS or on Linux. You can also use the script activate Gemini env on Windows. Then run the installation command inside the virtual environment. If you want this basically command lines details, you can easily go and look for virtual environment here for Gemini CLI. Gemini CLI. You can use Google, you can use GitHub, you can even use the AI. It's doable. Then after all of this, you have to go and install the Node.js version for NPM users. If you are installing via NPM, ensure you have Node.js 16 or even higher. You can easily run Node version if it's outdated. Update through the official Node.js website or NVM install. Whatsoever, that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.